What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Wisco Madman coming at ya with another reaction video. If you guys haven't already, be sure to smash that like button down below, hit that sub, and flip them notifications over to all. Alright, y'all, so we got some Kool Hand Luke. That was the autoplay next. And I've had this on the list for a minute. This one's called Bluebird. He dropped it 12 days ago, so I guess it ain't been on my list that long, but I'm pretty sure I put it on the list as soon as he dropped this. So I've been wanting to check it out. So that's what we gonna do.
Hey yo, Amen. Let that bluebird roll on down the road. Hey, hey. I take this shit to heart. Why you mouthing off your guns? I put you in the dark. All my people play with guns in the backyard, having fun, cooking up, drinking bubble. You can come and.
How many of y'all grew up playing with guns? I know I did. I know to some of the New Worlders that's terrifying and everything else, but man, as long as you were taught gun safety, there wasn't no issue with fucking around with guns at a young age.
Get your one, redneck mob, I'm the done. Yeah, I'm locked in, never see it stop in. From AM to PM, the shop is open. Tell me what you shopping. You ain't even gotta not just come on in. I cannot pretend, ayy.
Y'all remind me because Bluebird's got like an old memory for me and I can't quite put it together. That's a old Semi brand, isn't it? Or no, you know, I think Bluebird was the school buses. That's where I remember it from. I think we used to ride in Bluebird school buses. That's what I think it was. I could be wrong though.
Here to have a good time, ayy. Yeah, I've been on my grind, Bubba, ayy. Don't you push me to my limit.
All I got running through my head when he says here for a good time, I'm like, here for a good time, not for a long time.
Bubba, make you pay the fine, ayy. Make you pay the fine, yeah. Saying that they with me, yet they never by my side. Don't you come near me.
Well, I know plenty of people like that. They say they with you, but you look to your side, you look to your left, you look to your right. Where the fuck is that?
Bubba, let you down the ride. I'm trying to get in real estate, stack it to the sky. Why they want me in the gates? Probably take my life. I'm chasing down these big bags, I'm chasing down these big loads. Put it in a duffel bag, leave them all on zero. I'm the country hero, this rebel shit I stand for. Let me tell you, Bubba, that the game is softer than a pillow. Mom. Expected from me. I don't ever see it ending at this point. Shit. I think everybody can tell too. I'm different than y'all motherfuckers. Oh yeah.
That's the truth.
Mob shit.
Mob shit. Yo, KHL just showing us like that old soul fucking southern vibe. I liked it. It was a chill ass get, man. Chill ass fucking track.
If you guys like that reaction video, please be sure to smash that like button down below. Thank you guys for commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Be sure to check out the artist page down in the description below, as well as my socials. It's in the link down below as well. Appreciate y'all being here. I really do. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.